Are you or someone you know a sad content creator that didn't get a framed celebration set from TPCi and now have no idea what to do with the wall space you set aside? Then do I have the perfect DIY for you. Today we'll be making our own celebrations frame set. All you will need is a frame that has been sitting in your parents' basement for over a decade, a handful of cards from your numerous celebration pack openings for YouTube, and some old sleeves from the days when tournaments were allowed. Now, let's get started. I have pre-sleeved up my only relevant pools from the limited celebrations product I could find in stores and start laying them out in a grid-like setup. I'm making sure to mimic the actual frame set. Once complete, I go back and fix up any spacing issues, and then I close up the frame. It's time to marvel at our fine craftsmanship! After spending a substantial amount of time marveling your handiwork, it's time to put it on your wall for all your viewers to see. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please consider liking and subscribing for more Pokemon and DIY content!